In this question, you have to match the components in list 1 with those in list 2. Now, the axonym is the structural framework that is found in cilia and flagella, and it is composed of 9 plus 2 arrangement of microtubules with the 9 doublet microtubules surrounding 2 central singlet microtubules. Thus, A matches with 2. Now, centrioles exhibit a cartwheel appearance. That is, they are made up of 9 triplet microtubules which is arranged in a cylindrical manner. Thus, B matches with 1. Now, crista are the folds of the inner mitochondrial membrane, and they increase the surface area for biochemical reactions like oxidative phosphorylation. Thus, C matches with 4. And satellites are specific structures found in chromosome. They are actually small chromosome segments which are separated from the main body of the chromosome by a secondary constriction, and are often associated with nucleolus organizing region, that is NORs. Thus, D matches with 3. Hence, the correct answer is option B.